My champions, this is Mrs. Al Salah. Today we are going to learn Unit 2, Concept 1, Lesson 5 and 6, Exploring Absolute Value, Comparing Absolute Value. Let's start. What is the absolute value? Let's have a number line to understand it. Okay, this is the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Okay, this is 5 units from 0 to 5. It is 5 units from 0 to -5 is the same 5 units because it is a distance. Okay, the absolute value of a rational number is the distance from 0. Since distance is a positive, then the absolute value of either positive or negative rational number is positive. So, the absolute value, this is the sign of the absolute. The absolute value of 5 equal 5. And the absolute value of -5 equal 5. Okay, let's continue. Now, let's have an example. Find the value of each of the following. The absolute value of -4 equal what? Tell me, math champions. Excellent, equal 4. Next, the negative of the absolute value of 4. What does it equal? Take care of such a question. Okay, if the negative sign is out of the absolute value of the absolute sign, it will not be affected by the absolute sign. Okay, let's see what it will be equal. It will equal -4. Excellent. We took the negative sign from where? From out of the absolute. Okay. Next, the absolute value of 0 is 0. Okay. Next, take care here. Look carefully. This is a negative sign, the absolute value, and -3 over 7. What is the answer? What is the value of this number? Excellent. It is a -3 over 7. Yes, correct. The absolute will give us the positive 9, 3 over 7, but yet we still have the negative outside. Take care, okay? Next question. The absolute value of -3 plus the absolute value of 5. What does it equal? It is 3 plus 5 equal 8. Excellent. Okay, find the value of each of the following. If -2 plus the absolute value of -2 plus the absolute value of -7, what will be the answer? Excellent. It will be 2 plus 7 equal 9. And next, the absolute value of -6 minus the absolute value of 6. What will be? It will be 6 minus 6 will be equal 0. Okay. The absolute value of -3 multiplied by the absolute value of -2. What is the result? Excellent. It is 3 multiplied by 2 equal 6. The absolute value of -10 divided by the absolute value of 2. What is the result? Yes, 10 divided by 2 equal 5. Okay, Now, comparing an absolute value. How to compare an absolute value? To understand how to compare, we draw a number line. We put the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. And let's see the distance. Okay. From 0 to 3, it is 3 units. From 0 to -4, it is 4 units. It's not a negative 4, it is 4 units. Okay? And from 0 to -5 is what? Is 5 units. So we can say that we can deduce the following. The absolute value of -4 is greater than 3. Okay? Also, the absolute value of -4 is smaller than the absolute value of -5. This is because we are comparing distance. Okay, take care here. The unit 3 is smaller than the 3 units, is smaller than the 4 units, and the 4 units is smaller than the 5 units. Okay, this is the idea behind the absolute. Okay, let's have an example. Compare using greater, smaller, or equal. Okay, an absolute -2 greater or smaller an absolute -7. Tell me, Miss Champions. I'm waiting for you. Yes, excellent. Absolute -2 is smaller than absolute -7. Next. Absolute -2.5 is greater or smaller -2.8. There is no absolute. Okay, tell me. Excellent, Math Champions. It is absolute -2.8 is greater than the -2.8 itself. Okay, C, 3 and a quarter, and the absolute of 3 and 2/3, which is greater. Okay, tell me, I'm waiting for you. Excellent, Math Champions. The absolute 3 and 2/3, absolute -3 and 2/3 is greater than 3 and quarter. Okay, negative absolute 4.25 is greater or smaller than 4 and 0.3. Tell me. Excellent. 4.3 is greater than the absolute -4.25. Okay, this is for today. If you have any question, any problems with answering the المعاصر book, please don't hesitate to tell me in the comment box and comment box, and I will get back to you. Thank you very much and goodbye.